Hey guys, it's Savannah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Impatiens Granny Square. This Granny Square is one of my own design. It's a little bit modeled after my holiday candy shawl pattern. It uses the same double crochet, half double crochet repeat, and a little bit of the border design in it, but other than that, it is just a fun granny square that looks a little bit like an impatiens flower. I'm very excited to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. You are going to need at least 3 colors of worsted weight yarn. Today I have dark blue, white, and light blue. It is completely up to you how many colors you want, but I do recommend at least 3 if you want the fun little design in it to really stand out. I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook. This crochet hook is a wooden one I got from Leto Workshop. I'll leave their website down below if you're interested. The size of your hook is completely up to you. It depends on how big you want your square to end up, how tight you want the stitches to be, and on what size yarn you are using. I'm recommending worsted weight yarn just because that is what I have in my stash that I'm using and what I used to design the pattern with. But anyway, other than that, what you're going to need are scissors and a yarn needle. But now, let's get to the pattern. Alright, so I have my first color and my crochet hook. Just a reminder, I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook, but the size is completely up to your preference. We're going to start with a magic ring. If you have never done a magic ring before, I suggest going and finding one of several wonderful videos out there showing you how to do a magic ring. They are extremely helpful because a magic ring is used for so many things. Then we're going to chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. Then we're going to double crochet and half double crochet inside the ring 4 times total. Again, double crochet and half double crochet. Third time, double crochet and half double crochet. Last time, double crochet and half double crochet. Then we're just going to pull our tail to close the ring. And then we are going to slip stitch to the first stitch. And that is round 1. We will have 8 stitches for this first round. Round 2, we are chaining 2 and then double crocheting and half double crocheting in each stitch. So we're going to repeat this 7 more times. Double crochet and half double crochet. One more time. Double crochet and half double crochet. I'm going to finish my round 2 and meet you guys back here in just a moment. Okay, I have finished round 2. Round 2 will leave us with 16 stitches. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this yarn and bring in my second color. I like to do my color change as I am transitioning from round to round. So I have my hook inserted for my slip stitch. I have my next color on my hook, so I'm just going to pull that through and complete the slip stitch. So round 3, we are going to chain 2, work these first few stitches over the ends of my yarns. We're going to double crochet and half double crochet this first stitch, and then we are going to front post double crochet around the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 7 times. Again, double crochet and half double crochet the first stitch, front post double crochet the second stitch. One more time, double crochet and half double crochet the first stitch, and then front post double crochet the next stitch. I'm going to finish my round 3 and I'll meet you guys back here in just a moment. Alright, I have finished my round 3. We will have 24 stitches at the end of this round. Now I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch to my first stitch and start round 4. Round 4, we are going to chain 1, 2 single crochet the first stitch, 1, 2, then we're going to half double crochet the next stitch, double crochet the next stitch, chain 2, double crochet the next stitch, half double crochet the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet the next stitch. We are going to repeat this 3 more times for a total of 4 repeats. What we are doing in this round is setting up the 4 corners for the granny square. Again, 2 single crochet 1 stitch, half double crochet the next stitch, double crochet the next stitch, chain 2, double crochet the next stitch, half double crochet the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet the next stitch. You can see how we already have half of a square right here. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my round 4. I'll meet you guys back here in just a moment. Alright, I have finished my round 4. You will have 32 stitches at the end of this round. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the yarn here. Then grab my last color and go ahead and do my color change. We are going to do it like we did the last time with the slip stitch transition. Alright, so we have our color change. Then we are going to also slip stitch to the next stitch. Then we are going to chain 3. This does count as a stitch from here on out. Then we are going to double crochet 2 into the same stitch as our chain 3. Now we're going to skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet 3 all in the corner. And 3. Now we're going to skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet the next stitch, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet the next stitch, 2, 3, and then do the same thing in the corner as the last one, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Now skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet the next, 2, 3, skip 2, 3 double crochet the next, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches and do our corner, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet, 2, 3. Now the corner, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 2, 3. Now skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet, 3, and then slip stitch into your chain 3. Now for the next round, we are going to turn, chain 3, and remember this counts as a stitch, double crochet 2 into the space between the previous chain 3s, and then it is just like a normal granny. you work your 3 double crochet clusters into the spaces between the last ones. And then you do your corners, your 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. And then you just work your traditional granny for as long as you want to make it as big as you want. And that's your granny square. And that is the Impatiens Granny Square. I'm really excited to have shared this with you guys. You can do so many things with granny squares, especially this design since it's such a fun one. My Impatiens Granny Square tote bag is a pattern that I designed using this granny square pattern. This bag pattern will be coming out in a few weeks, so I will link it in the description and in the notes once it comes out. But other than that, I really think that there are limitless possibilities. You can make a blanket, a makeup pouch, a jacket, a shirt, a skirt. You can make so many things with granny squares just like this one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, happy crocheting!